Let's go ahead and get it, guys. 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Market's open here. I have a feeling it's going to be pretty volatile. Honestly. Wow, look at that. Off of rip here. Holy smokes. Yeah, I know, right? My half size today is going to be, I think, 2 minis. And I can add accordingly. We're just waiting. This is just smacking into level resistance. We have a 2-minute downtrend right here. From here to here. So, obviously, we will see what wants to happen. And be patient. Like, even though the market's ripping right now, like, just be patient, guys. Right? This is one candle. Nothing's going to take us. Or 2 candles. You guys know I don't trade off of this. We have to wait for a trend continuation, some type of clean setup here. All right, so if we get a pullback, higher low, higher high, maybe look for a continuation on this, but let's see where this rejection wants to be. So we're still pushing. Again, guys, don't get FOMO when we're just pushing for a legit 2 minutes. Just helping everybody's psychology out here. Don't get FOMO here, team. Cool. All right. All right, pulling on back here. Tapping into the support level. I want to see if we form a higher high, higher low here. And then maybe we can wait for a continuation. But it really depends upon how aggressively we want to sell off right now. If we can hold above this zone here, hold above this level here, we could obviously, this could start looking good. But it all depends upon what wants to happen. All right, bouncing off of this, let's see how aggressive buyers want to be. I'll probably go in longs if we get above high here. So 24,351 long, guys. So about to go long here.
Stop filled.
Got filled. So just got filled long. Pretty nice entry at 24,351. That's half size 2 minis. Take profit's going to be pretty high. Take profit's going to be 24,376. So all the way up here. Wow, it's already about to hit TP. Holy crap. Let's see. If we do pull back, this could just be a good way to add more to our size. Okay. Because 2 minis for me, I'm in half size. If I do add, I'll probably just add 1 more mini, which would be 3 minis, but let's see. Again, hopefully we don't get chop either. We don't like chop. All right, I'm gonna add more guys at 24,357.
Order
If it'll
rejected.
let me. Let's see here. All right, adding more at 24,359, 24,358. I'll let you guys know when I added.
Stop filled.
All right, just added. I'm going to move my stop now, probably to candle low here at 24,343 here. So, wow, look at that. 3 minis. TP's already about to hit here, guys. So, let's see if we can get it. I just don't like it starting to be a little choppy here. And Wiki. But again, when we go into trades, guys, we have to give it room. So hopefully you guys aren't over leveraged on your position either. I'm probably, dang, it's actually moving all the way back down here. Giving it one more second. So if we do come all the way back down, what does that tell us for the market? That we're just going to be in crazy chop right now. So I am in comfortable size. I'm trying to just hold this trade. I'll probably kill it if we get all the way down to these lows. Which, wow, look at that reversal right there. And I'm working on holding my trades a little longer as well. But I'm about to kill this. All right, I'm going to kill it, guys.
Order filled.
So I'm out of those. Market, very, very choppy. Wow, this is actually insane. Look at the 5-minute time frame here. That is what we're dealing with price action here, team. Absolutely just shot up, came all the way back down. That hasn't happened in probably like 4 weeks. But again, I'm going in with wanting to hold my trades longer and then controlling my size. I didn't go in crazy heavy. Now, if you guys want to know how much I lost on that trade, I am trading on personal capital. So I am down about $5 grand on the day. But again, that's completely fine. My goal this week is to kind of go in heavy. I made about $50,000 last week or last month. So I am down to kind of go a little heavier or harder. But yeah, market is just all over the place right now. A little crazy. Yeah, Louis just shot up. We pulled back, formed that higher low that I liked, continued, and then we just came all the way back down. So what is the trend, guys? We don't have a trend. No trend today. Drag my stop loss. Yeah, control you guys' risk, right? Just because I'm willing to hold, does that mean you guys have to hold all the way to an area that makes sense to you? Absolutely not, right? I'm kind of like leaning bearish now just because of how we got so much selling pressure. Not really interested in longs anymore, honestly. But let's give it a second. I haven't seen a candle that pushed like over 100 points and then came back down 100 points. Which makes sense. I mean, we do have red photo news and we have Trump speaking today, so we might have volatile, unpredictable markets as well, guys. All right, we're shooting back up here. All right, so my game plan for the next move is I'm going to be looking for shorts at around low here. So shorts around 24,245. Or if we get a higher high, higher low retracement, I'll be looking for longs back above high here. So again, we'll wait, sit on our hands, and kind of see if we can get that. Hope everybody managed risk accordingly on that last trade. But again, we don't get upset and we don't get angry. We don't get emotional off of one red trade, guys. Like if we get angry, emotional, or upset about trading for one trade, then all you guys have to work on your psychology, right? Trading is not about one trade that defines you. It's about 100 trades or 1,000 trades that define you, right? All right, this is looking pretty short bias, honestly. So again, I'm looking for short to 24,245 here, so candle low. I like how he dumped, formed that lower high, continuation to the downside. But obviously, if we come right back up, then we'll sit on our hands and wait. Yeah, if you guys are green on that first push and got out from a quick scalp, nice. I like to see that you guys are just grabbing profit, walking away. This week for me, I'm going to be trading a little differently. At least for my personal capital. I'm going to be going in a decently sized and holding a little longer. So what does that mean for me, though? I have to have wider stops. We're coming back up here. Pretty interesting wick. All right, I'm going to wait for it to get into this zone here because this is technically a resistance level up here. All right here. So I'm just going to give it a second. On the 5-minute time frame, you guys can see very, very choppy PA, right? If we look on the 15-minute time frame, very interesting price action, right? All right, so if we get a candle closure inside of 24,306, this is starting to look good for longs again, which it's pushing here. I'm going to give it 1 second. All right, depending upon if we get that higher low here, I am liking longs high here at 24,319. Hopefully, maybe I can get filled on this. I'm not in these just yet.
Order
I'm
filled.
going to wait if it comes back up here. All right, I'm going to get filled. I'm in long at 24,319. We might get a little rejection here. But again, I'm in long here. 24,319. Green line. For me, I'm in about 4 minis. I can see if I can add to this. I want to see if we kind of come all the way back. We might get a pullback, so don't like freak out if we do. Wow, nice. I'm gonna probably do take profit all the way up here, guys. 24,377. We are hitting a level of resistance right here, right? Stop loss for me is going to be all the way probably down here at candle low, 24,288. And then I'll let you guys know if I add to this. And you guys, if you guys don't want to hold to take profit all the way up here, or you guys don't want your stop loss all the way down there, but your entries right here, manage your risk accordingly. Say, yo, what, Will? You know what? I'm going to have a tighter stop and I'll have a tighter take profit. Does that mean that's a bad trade? Absolutely not. Take profit when you feel comfortable. Control your risk. For me, I'm trading on a bigger account. I'm trading on like a account 50 times bigger than all you guys in here. So I'm willing to hold those positions longer, have those bigger moves, at least for today. That's what I'm feeling like for today's trading, right? Again, we might get a pullback here. We're hitting that level of resistance. If you guys don't want to get into that, hold it into this through this pullback, sell the position, right? But, yep, see how we hit this level of resistance? We stop pulling on back here. which potentially could be a potential area to go add in, but again, still not adding. We really have to get above this level resistance here, but if we do, this will look pretty good. Nice. So I'm up about $2,700 right now. If you guys want to kill this, you guys can kill it. This is actually a pretty decent move. I'm not going to sell it, though, until I hit full take profit at 24,377. I kind of want to add, like, at least another 3 more minis on this, but I'll see if I can somewhere. If you guys want to go and break even stop too, go for it. Let's go. Wow, full TP is about to hit here. I might add, guys. I'm going to add another 4 minis at high here.
Order filled.
I just added 4 minis. Wow. All right, one more push and then I'm out of these. Let's go. Boom, full TP hit.
Order filled.
I am out. Let's freaking leakingly go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And that is how we do it. I mean, I was down $5,000 on the morning. Now I'm actually only down $178. So I'm still not back to green on the day, but I made back pretty much $5 grand. So I was down $5,552. Now I'm only down $178. Super transparent. There we go. Went in 4 minis down here. Added another 4 reel here. Sold all 8 right there. That was a massive move. If you guys held that whole thing, you guys must be pretty happy. Control your risk. How did everybody do so far? How are we doing so far? First trade, yeah. Took a decent loss on that. Did I hold a little longer than I wanted to? Yeah. I would tell you guys, I did hold a little longer than I wanted to on that first trade. Right? But second trade absolutely just killed it. Beautiful trade. That was like a 19... That was like a 50-point move? I kind of want to take one more trade here, and then I'll probably call it for the day. But if you guys are done, up, let's go. Up 160. Did you guys hold the full move? Because you guys seem like you guys are not up that much after that massive move. Unless you guys did hold that first trade all the way down to here with me. Then you guys are kind of just in my boat. Held the first, okay. I'll show you guys my entries and exits real quick on both those trades. So you guys can kind of see. So first trade, you guys see I entered, and then I got stopped all the way down there. Bottom candle kind of sucked. And then obviously that second trade, you guys can clearly see right there. Didn't take the second trade. I mean, the second trade I was pretty confident in. That's why I went in 4 minions. I kind of like that trade, and that's why I held it for so long as well. I'm going to go, guys, long 24,377 here. Yeah, I'm going to go long. I'm going to go long right here. High 24,360 or 24,383. So we can get a little bit more continuation here. And then take profit is just going to be 24,395, which is just pre-market highs. So let's see if we can get filled. Feel going to be a little choppy here before we go. And I'm probably going to go into about 6 minis on this trade. Pretty tight stop. For this to look good, though, we have to hold it. We might get a little dip here before we go. A little dippy. And then I'm going 6 minis long, 24,383. Stop loss is probably going to be all the way down here for me. I'm going to move these so these don't confuse you. This is on the 1 minute, but I look at other time frames as well. All right, pushing here. Let's see how aggressive we want to be on this push. So we get another banger push here. All right, guys, see if we can get filled here. All right, got filled in these longs. Hopefully get this momentum that we're looking for. My stop loss is going to be at 24,354 here. Initially, I'll move it accordingly. I might even get out before that full TP, depending upon how well we move. Boom. Boom. Holy crap, I'm out.
Order filled.
Let's go. Full TP hit. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Bada bing, bada boom, guys. From red $5,000 on the day to now green $2,000 on the day. There we go. And that's how Will Trades does it. Did it suck? Yeah, I did the miss. I'll tell you guys, am I perfect? Absolutely not, right? The mistake that I did this morning was I probably should have cut my losses on the first trade. I was just kind of shocked that the market was dipping that low. So, I mean, if I did cut my trade a little earlier, I would have been up a lot more today. But obviously, back up $2,000. This thing can continue still pushing, but you know what? Let's not get greedy. Let's not get FOMO-y. Let's be smart. I technically made $7,000 off of those 2 trades, right? I was down $5,000, made back the first trade, then another $2,000. So there we go. How we all doing? How we all doing? And that's how we go from red 5,000 back to green 2,000.